I don't think people really understood what that contest was going to do until it was over. That just threw big wave surfing beyond anything in surfing. I decided once the green light was called for the event, pulled the trigger early and just kind of went home and made sure I still felt at home when I was there. And I didn't really tell anyone, but I was really sick the day before. I just fought through it, and I mean, I think that once I got out there that morning, the adrenaline hit and it was just like, boom, everything's gone. First heat, I kind of went out guns blazing and just kind of sent it, and I definitely felt it. Like, I got really flogged and I could feel it. So by the semi, I was kind of like slowed myself down and told myself, like, pace myself, get to the final and just come out swinging. I felt really good paddling out to that final. Like, I had a good head on my shoulders. I was hydrated, I was pumped, and I was psyched. I mean, I've surfed out there quite a bit, and I grew up on Maui, so the wind ain't new to me. With that being said, I knew what waves are going to be good, and it definitely wasn't the first wave of the set. The first real wave that stood up out the back on that North Peak, I almost had a swing at it, and I seen Ian like look into, and I was like, no, second wave, and I held my ground, and Ian swung, ended up going over the falls, and once it started dropping, I could just see this big black wall, and I was like, oh my God, this is it. As soon as I got to my feet, I could just see the whole crest of the wave was just so groomed. I was like, oh, this is the wave I was looking for all day, and kind of just like blacked out from there. I just remember literally coming out of the spit, just like spit everywhere, like so much emotion at that point, like to work that hard my entire life for something, and like it's happening at that place in time. Like, I mean, I couldn't have asked for a better wave at that time of the day during that event. Being in the position that I'm in now, being in first and on the tour, is it's pretty crazy that I could actually be a world champion. So I'm not really thinking about that. I'm more just thinking, like, I'm gonna do these events and just surf the same way I did out at Jaws, just kind of go for it and try to better myself every heat and every wave.